Have you just dropped your Samsung Galaxy phone and broke its screen? Well, it is quite hard to figure out what to do next with this cracked screen phone. Don't worry. You can replace the damaged screen and get it as a new one. You must be wondering where to get your Samsung phone screen fixed. iTech Xpress in Covina, a certified Samsung phone repair service store famous for offering a comprehensive range of repair works for Samsung users. They have a team of highly skilled, experienced technicians to diagnose the damages and provide free repair estimate. They have a great inventory of genuine spare parts to make the screen replacement process quicker. Even their Samsung phone screen replacement process is available at affordable prices. So, why wait? Schedule your appointment now by dialing 626-777-4747. For more details, visit https://ichexpressinc.com/.